Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at 10 best side hustles in South Africa for 2024. A side hustle, side business or second job, whatever you call it, the extra income is a welcome addition to any entrepreneur. There are a variety of side hustles to choose from that don't require capital or much skill, just a strong work ethic and determination to learn. If you are formally employed and looking for a side hustle, it's important to disclose this to your employer. You have to ensure there's no conflict of interest between your day job and side business. Informing your human resource representative or boss will mean that you work through formal channels to guarantee that you are not working against your employer and that the employer won't penalize you if they allow you to pursue an additional job. 1. Pet services. Pet services encompass any service related to pets. This can be grooming services, pet sitting, or even dog walking. A dog grooming business does not require a lot of skills, but you have to be able to work with animals. Furthermore, you can run this service over weekends, and even make it a mobile service. 2. Arts and crafts. How about turning your favorite hobby into a second stream of income? From woodworking, upcycling furniture, knitting or even painting, your hobby can serve as a creative outlet and income. Any artwork or item can be sold for a profit in various ways. Firstly, you can turn to traditional markets such as craft markets. However, online platforms that support e-commerce can connect buyers to handmade goods. 3. E-hailing. With the presence of services such as Didi, Uber and Bolt, e-hailing is a viable transportation business. South Africa has a variety of e-hailing services to choose from. Drivers can pick the service that provides them with the necessary flexibility to run their business after hours. Drivers also have the added advantage of choosing between being a driver for food delivery, ride-sharing or package delivery service. 4. Cleaning services. Cleaning services require little skill, so if you are not afraid to get your hands dirty, then a cleaning business can be a great side job. This will, however, depend on what your day job is and how much time you have free. Cleaning services can also specialize in particular types of cleaning such as carpets and upholstery, deep cleaning houses after fumigation, or even just a weekly service. Within this space there is room for many types of side hustles in South Africa. 5. Tailoring and alteration. Sewing, tailoring clothes and even making clothes has become a lost skill. If you, however, have these skills, you can turn it into a side hustle. Tailoring store-bought clothing for friends, family and acquaintances is an easy way to start. You might need to invest in a sewing machine if you don't have one already, but depending on the model you can find an affordable machine. 6. Print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand as a side hustle can be extremely profitable, with margins ranging from 15 to 60%. Between personalized gifts and niche audiences becoming commonplace, a print-on-demand business can be easy to run. Some items include apparel, decor, and accessories. The benefit of these products is that you can create one item design, which is then sold multiple times. The bulk of the work is also then outsourced to your print-on-demand partner. 7. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a remote worker who helps individuals with administrative tasks. This includes writing emails, scheduling appointments, arranging travel plans, and even filing documents. If you have good organizational and communication skills, these can easily be leveraged to make you a successful virtual assistant. 8. Social media and email marketing. Digital-savvy individuals can use their tech skills to help other small businesses with their social media and email marketing. Even those who are not well-versed in marketing can still delve into this market. You can upskill yourself by watching email marketing videos on YouTube or following on-platform guides. 9. Sell stock photos. Turning a profit with the sale of stock photography is achievable, but it is important to note that although it can provide a steady stream of income, it might not be enough to become your main hustle. If you have a decent camera and can take quality photos, you are able to sell them to stock image sites such as Shutterstock, iStock, Deposit Photos, Dreamtime, and Getty Images. 10. Propagate and sell plants. This side hustle is ideal for anyone with green thumbs. The initial costs are relatively low, although additional potting soil and containers are important expenses to consider. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.